Thibitari ya misheni ya St Mary's Lang'ata ni yamukagira arwaru a kuroka na kuinuka matanyiheire 600 o muthenya. Iti cia thibitari no ikoragwo na muhatikano guku arwaru a kundu na kundu makimatha urigiti. No muthi iyo tio bisha no arwaru anini haha na haria gugitwika na aria me wodi matwite itua ria guthamira thibitari nyingi.
Sunday ndio nikajifungua twins saa 6 ya usiku. Lakini sasa kwanza venye furugu imeanza enyewe tumepata shida sana kama mama wenye tulikuwa kwa ward. Juu sasa hakuna service, uko uchungu, sindana hakuna, madaktari wenye amekuja hata wapati faili yako, wale wengine wenye walikuwa waliharibu kila kitu.
No urugamiriri wa thibitari unyitiriire ati mihango yothe ni irathie na mbere otigathie tana ruhonge rwa uhuri bica makiuga mashini cia wira ucio ni irathukangirio ni andu matoikaine. Ni thutha wa nditimurano iria iragiire muthi wa ira urugamiriri wa thibitari no mweru ukiingira.
What happened yesterday? Some of the patients still believe that the problem is not solved and they ask to go away. If you believe that what happened yesterday is still happening and you insist of going away, we cannot block your way. But they are going away on their own volition.
With me here are the representatives from the national government, the Ministry of Health, and the county government Ministry of Health. They have taken a tour of this hospital to determine the services that we are offering, and they are also satisfied that we are offering the services that Kenyans do demand.
Na kuoja wa thibitari gikundi kia aria marari aruti wira magithie na mbere na gutetia thibitari ino makiuga ni maratigithirio wira hatari na gitumi kiiganu.
Walituambia nyi tokeni, hamna chochote, it's new management na mnafukuzwa mtoke hapa mwende.
Uwezi apply kazi tena na uko under contract. That means ume apply tena umefutwa kazi. So you are applying again.
Nobody is losing his job. The only thing is that now that people decided to go away in protest, we are asking them to write commitment letters that they are committed to coming back and give the service to the patients here without problem.
Kigiriko kiao gikiguciriria maabitha a kiama kia arigitani bururi-ini aria mekurokete thibitari-ini no kumatha uma.
Sometimes in this kind of hostile takeovers, they may overstep the law, but I think that law may come back to bite them, and I think they have already overstepped a lot of labor laws. Clearly, I think that there are issues to do with contracts management, there are issues to do with termination, which we as a union want to move in right now to start discussing with the management.
Ndugamano eno yukite thutha wa igoti nene gutwithania cira wa no wagirirwo ni kurugamirira thibitari ino gatagati ka masista a kiungano kia Assumption of Nairobi na Father William Frida. Igoti kuri tariki 20 mweri uyu ni riatuire ati masista aya nio magirirwo ni kurugamirira thibitari ino hamwe na iria iri mwena wa Elementaita. Ni cira urakuite ihinda ria miaka 7. Magana na magana ma arwaru ni makoragwo magicera thibitari-ini no ya St Mary's o muthenya makimatha urigiti. Mwihoko wa aingi ni ati Ndugamano ino ni guthira na ihenya na nigetha motungata megwete macokererie. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Monica Kagoni.